She wanted to kill me. She was mad as hell, ominously fierce. Eddie Gross, a local economist, presidential advisor, and former opposition MP. Sanabina mashoko budaitoka panapa aiwana Eddie Gross achiti. The first lady of Zimbabwe, you attacked him. She wanted to kill him. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pan about the news Oxon and Rambiro Achiti. President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his wife, First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa, fiercely attacked prominent local economist and presidential advisor Eddie Gross, who is a former MP, former opposition MP, for saying the president's family is deeply corrupt and his sons are involved in criminal activities. Following his damning remarks on Monday in the aftermath of the anti-government mass action, Stay Away, Gross, under immense pressure, went to see Mnangagwa on Tuesday at State House in Harare to apologize for saying his family is corrupt. Outraged, Mnangagwa attacked Gross and demanded evidence that his family and children are corrupt. During a stormy meeting, Gross had sought the meeting under pressure from officials, and Mnangagwa's allies were alarmed by the remarks. Gross was either very brave or very foolish, or both, to say, a pro-Mnangagwa minister told the news hawks. Unable to produce the evidence to substantiate his accusations, the former MDC legislator was cornered and had to apologize to get out of the tight spot under a barrage of assaults by angry president. As if that was not bad enough, Gross was hit by blazing tirade of insults by Auxilia, which left him almost feeling dizzy and vulnerable the following day, Wednesday, at State House again. Mnangagwa and Auxilia separately demanded evidence that their family is swimming in a pool corruption for self-aggrandizement. Gross apologized on the family accusations, but insisted to the president there was a lot of corruption in government. Domashukwana mudanyi kwa panapa tiona kuti aiwa Eddie Gross anoya achino apologize kune mtungamiri wenyika au after my attacks pamusoro pekuya achilebula family aiwa yemutungamiri wenyika pamwe vana vake kunzi aiwa they're in a deep seated corruption. Panapa tiona Auxilia Mnangagwa zvekare anoya achiposa achiti aiwa tipe evidence inoratidza kuti aiwa you mean to say our family and our children are in a deep seated corruption. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi pina comment section medu. Mafunguro enyu musasubscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.